Have you ever wondered how a simple peeling effect can create an amazing text animation? In today's video, I'll show you how to make this peeling text animation in After Effects, along with some pro tips waiting for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting After Effects tutorial. If you're new to this channel, be sure to check out my logo animation playlist. It's packed with tutorials ranging from simple to pro-level logo animations, and it's completely free. Alright, enough talking. Let's dive into After Effects. So we are in After Effects. Let's create a new composition by clicking this box. Name this comp Main Comp. I set the resolution of this composition to Full HD at 60 frames per second. Next, I create a new solid layer. This is going to be our background layer. I set the dark gray color for the background. Now I lock the layer, then select the text tool, write anything, and align it to the center. Then I rename this layer Original. Next, duplicate this layer and name the new layer Peel. Then select the text color picker and change the color. I am using the same color as the background to hide the text. You can see the thin line outline of the text. If you want to remove it, go to the character panel and make sure the text stroke color is on. Then increase the stroke pixels, and our text is hidden. Next, select the peel layer and go to the effects panel to search for an effect called CC Page Turn. Simply apply it to this layer. You can see this point. By default, it acts like a page controller. Right now, it's revealing the text from the bottom right. We want it to reveal from the top left. To do this, go to the Effects Control panel and change the controls to top left corner. Now if I move this point, it reveals the text from the top left. Next, change the fold radius to 120. Also, set the back page as the original layer. Lastly, increase the back opacity to 100. Now it looks like a peeling effect. We can animate this using this point, but sometimes it doesn't work properly. So let me show you the correct way to animate this. First, add a null object to this composition. Name this layer Peel Controller. Then open the position properties of this layer. Next, select the peel layer, go to the Effects Control panel, hold Alt and click this stopwatch. This will open the script panel in the timeline. Now carefully grab the expression, pick whip and drag it to the position properties of the null layer. Now the point is parented to the null's position. Next, click anywhere to confirm. Now we can control the peel effects with the null, and it's much more accurate compared to the default point. Next, I place the null at the top left and add a keyframe on position. Then I move the time indicator forward a bit and move the peel controller like this. Then I add more keyframes and animate the position of the peel controller. At the last keyframe, I drag the null all the way down so the peel layer is out of the frame. Let's check the animation. As you can see, we have some problems with the path of the peel controller. We have some unnatural handles that we want to remove. So press G to select the pen tool, then hover over this point and click it so the handles are gone. Now check the animation again. Now our animation looks much better than before. Let's select all the layers and apply Easy Ease to them. I animate it like the wind is peeling the text. And after applying Easy Ease, the motion is much smoother than before. Nice. So that's how you can create a peeling text animation in After Effects. If you enjoyed this video and want to support the channel, consider buying me a coffee. Your support makes a big difference and helps me keep creating awesome content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.